Hello students, today I will start 11th class chapter Cash Book. Cash book is a main book of accounts in which only cash and bank transactions, whatever we cash received is recorded into debit side of cash book, and whatever we paid in cash is recorded on the credit side of cash book. There are two types of cash books, that is, one is simple column cash book, second is two column cash book. So first of all, only cash transactions are recorded into cash book. Only cash transactions. Second point, cash which is received is recorded into debit side of cash book. Cash which is paid is recorded into credit side of cash book. In cash book, we need not to maintain your past journal entries. It is directly putting the transactions of the journal entries into cash book. Whatever cash received is recorded into debit side of cash book, or whatever cash we paid is recorded into credit side of cash book. There are two types of cash book. One is simple column cash book. There is only cash transactions are recorded. And second is double column. It is also called two-side cash book, a two-column cash book. It means cash column with the bank also. The cash account with bank column. Cash book with bank column. In this cash book, two-column cash book, cash transaction as well as bank transactions are recorded. Types of cash book. There are two types of cash book. First is simple cash book. It is also called single column cash book. Second is two column cash book. That is also called double column cash book. Simple column cash book. Simple column cash book. Only cash transactions are to be recorded. A double column cash book, cash transaction as well as bank transactions are recorded. In double column cash book, cash and bank, both transactions are to be recorded. Means in the cash book chapter, no credit transactions are recorded. Only cash as well as bank transaction. In simple column cash book, only cash transactions are recorded. And two column cash book, that is double column cash book, cash as well as bank transactions are to be recorded. Like मैं simple एक example दें कि goods sold for cash. So that is two sales cash column में आएगा in double column. अगर मैं बोलूं paid rent, nothing is specified, either it is paid in cash or by check, so it is paid in cash. तो buy rent, it is a payment में हमारा credit side में जाएगा, तो buy rent cash में column में. अगर मैं बोलूं paid salaries by check, तो buy salaries bank में. Clear? Format of simple cash book. Just like ledger, left hand side is debit side and right hand side is credit side. Date, particulars, LF, amount. Date, particulars, LF, amount. LF means ledger folio. Debit, right hand side credit. Let us start example number 1 of T.S. Grewal. Example number 1 of the T.S. Grewal. 1st April, cash in hand. First of all, cash in hand means opening balance of this month. Cash is an asset, so it is entered into debit side. So 2025 April 1st. To balance brought down. It's the opening balance. That is 25,000. Next is cash sale. Cash sale, it means cash received. The first of all, I will told you that means whenever we receive cash, it is debited. It is recorded into debit side. Whatever we paid in cash, it is recorded on the credit side. So its receipts is recorded into debit side and payments we made is recorded into credit side. Credit transactions are not recorded. April 2, cash sales. It means goods sold for cash. To sales account. That is 2,20,000. Next is deposited cash into bank. Deposited cash into bank means कि हमारे यहाँ से बिजनेस से मनी बैंक में डिपॉजिट कराया. Clear? It means credit what goes out, cash गया. It is credit side में recorded. April 3, by bank account. Amount is 2 lakh. Next is issued a check to creditor after deducting cash discount 3,100. Issued check to creditor. Creditor को check issue करना means हमने check accept किया है, payment करेंगे creditor को by check. So its journal entry is debit the receiver creditor, credit the giver to bank. It is not a cash transaction. It is payment made by check. So it is not dealt into simple cash. Next is wages paid. Wages paid, it is a payment. It is also dealt here recorded into credit side by wages account. That is 22,500. Next is cash sales. It is also received cash to sales. Amount is 1,80,000. Next is deposited cash into bank. Again, paid money into bank. Date is 7 by bank. Amount is 1,50,000. Next is paid cash to transporter against their bill for goods sold. It means we paid the money towards transport charges. It is also called carriage outward. For goods sold, when we paid transport charges on the goods sold, its term is called carriage outward. It is an expense. When we purchase goods and we paid transport charges on the purchase of the goods, its term is called carriage inward. It is also expense. But difference between carriage inward or carriage outward means carriage inward is paid for the goods purchased and carriage outward is expenses paid for the goods sold. April 9, by carriage outward. Carriage inward and outward both are expenses. 4,500, 4,500. Next is paid cash for repairs. Paid cash for repairs. So buy repairs. 2,000. Next is purchase goods on credit from UN company. Goods purchase on credit, goods purchase from UN company, it is a credit purchase. So it is not recorded in the cash book because only cash transaction, whatever we cash received is recorded into debit side and whatever we paid in cash is recorded into credit side. Credit purchase means payment is yet to be paid. It is not payment paid not immediately. So it is not recorded. It is just right in the under the notes. Next is paid cash to Sunil, a creditor, after deducting discount 500. Cash paid to Sunil, a creditor, 28 by Sunil. What amount is 9,500 and we received discount. Under the cash book we have to pass a journal entry for the discount receipt. Entry is in the format of journal. Entry is Sunil debit to discount received 500. Next one is paid electricity bill in cash by electricity bill. Amount is 9,000. And last one is cash collected from Mahesh, a debtor, 45,000 after allowing discount. Date is 30th to Mahesh. That is 45,000. Receive cash from Mahesh and we allowed him discount. Then entry is also dealt in the under the cash book. Entry is discount allowed account debit. Debit all expenses and losses to Mahesh. Amount is 2,500. Both these entries are not dealt into cash book because it is an entry of discount received and discount allowed. After this we have to close it. How to close it? Like ledger and cash book has not the credit balance, means its credit side is never more than debit side. It is always debit side is more than credit side. First of all, total amount, then balancing figure. Month ki end, that is April 30, balance is left by balance CD. CD means carried down. Just deducted this balance from it. $72,500. Clear? It's a beginning of next month, May 1st, to balance brought down, BD, opening balance of next month, 72,500. This is the simple column cash book, illustration number 1 of 3S Grewal. After this, You will have to solve the back question easily. If any doubt, please comment me. I will solve your problem.